LIONESS is like a groove, a yucky groove that I was playing for a while, and I was starting to jam on it all the time. I was sound checking. That was the rhythm that was constantly with me. I was playing it on the dig, and yeah, I started to develop it, and that's when I started with LIONESS. I started to really hear like bird sounds I wanted to layer, and I was hearing birds, and it was something that I'd wanted to do for a long time. Was put birds in with my music, and I'd recorded birds before and just, used them a little bit, but I hadn't like delved right into it. And I looked up on the internet, because the recordings I had of birds were like, it's hard to get. Like, I tried it a lot of times, and just with little recorders, and it's hard to get good quality. So I was checking it out, and I found this guy on the internet, David Stewart, who dedicated the last like 35 years of his life to recording bird sounds and bush sounds and nature sounds, and amazing recordings, beautiful. Anyway, and his phone number was on the website, so I rang him up and got talking to him, and he sent me a bunch of sounds, and that's how I sort of got the sounds going. In LIONESS, as I started to play that groove, I started to really hear things, so it was kind of the track that was like the first sort of experimentation with the bird stuff, and it worked really well. And just triggering everything and singing as well with my ditch grooves, and having some layers of nature to sort of support that.